shit's so good. When that shit hit the world, it caused a fucking storm. Worldwide. Johnny B. fucking good, Chuck Berry, bending the fucking guitar strings, playing the blues, rock and roll. Fuck. Anyway, cooking bloke. So I'm going to be cooking the Awake and Brave fantastic, awesome burger again. I was speaking to Tommy the other night, and he loves the cooking bloke videos in their entirety. He finds them soothing and meditation. And I said, well, I've run out of things to cook because I've done them all multiple times. He said, it doesn't matter. You talk about different stuff every time in any case. Just fucking do it. So, what do you need for an Awake and Brave cooking bloke video? You need fucking rock and roll music. You need awesome beer. And then you need ingredient. So, the ingredient are this. French fries. Awesome 100% lean beef quarter pounder. Iced lettuce. Onion, tomatoes, blue cheese. Absolutely essential for an Awake and Brave burger. Caesar Express dressing. Absolutely essential. Pickled gherkins. Essential. Olives. And the very appropriate moist, heavy, doughy bread. Right, we've got that shit going on, people. And so, the battery's looking like it's might not last the journey. But I can make half a video, can't I? Let's not be defeated. Right then, so, well, I suppose you best come down here and have a look at it then, hadn't ya? So, I always find that to have a side salad is very, very appropriate. And I'm not really one for, you know, cutting, you know, too perfectly lettuce and shit like that. And so we'll have that, you know, just ripped apart, put that there. And whenever I cut tomatoes, I like to cut them in that variety of shape. So we'll bang those in. And then we're going to have some olives. Stoned olives. Right, absolutely superb. Let's get a bunch of those out. Wow, a few more. The vinegar gone. Right, put the lid on that. Then we're going to have some dear God! I often wonder how little old ladies get into this shit. That took me all my might. Let's have this out. Now, we're going to have this on the burger. Well, fucking hell, I didn't know it was an IQ test to get a fucking gherkin out of the jar. But now I realise it is. Right, so we have that. And let's see what we've got. If I'm gonna have, let's say, yeah, 2 slices of that I'm gonna have for the burger. So that'll go there. Then I'm gonna have 2 slices of tomato. Those bits, they can go in there. Then these placed over there like that. Wow, we're rocking, people. We're fucking rocking. So you got that there, and then onion. Now I'm gonna have one thick ass slice of onion in the burger. Now then, that one didn't turn out right, so I'm not happy with that. So I'll put that in the salad. Let's try again, see if we can get a thick ass piece of onion. Right, that is going slap bang in the middle of the burger. Let's get that bit off. So we've got that stuff there to go in the middle of the burger. Then we're going to slice a little bit more. Yeah. I like plenty of onion. Plenty of fresh spicy onion. So sprinkle that around there. And wow, look at that. Now then. So we've got the salad prepared. Then I'm going to bang a load of this incredible thick and creamy Caesar salad over that. Wow! Fuck me! That in itself is absolutely stunning. And so we'll put them there for a minute. Then the blue cheese. Now I need blue cheese. A thick ass lump of blue cheese to go slap bang in the burger. So I'm gonna have let's say one slice of that like that. That'll go in the burger. Then I need some more of this to go in here. So just break some bits of that up. Because when you're having a good old chomp on the burger, well, it's absolutely essential to be able to put a few pieces of all these ingredients into the old chops at the same time. Wow, that is a killer salad, people. That is a killer salad. Now, put that back on there. And now, for those of you that don't know, the person singing this song is someone who used to be called Richie Valens, and he was Mexican, and he had a very promising career, and he was about at the same time as Buddy Holly, the Big Bopper, Elvis, and Little Richard, and all those sorts of people. And Richie Valens, the Big Bopper, who sang "Hello, baby, Chantilly lace and a pretty face with a ponytail hanging down." Yeah. Well, they all died in the same plane crash as Buddy Holly did. Isn't that absolutely tragic? Yep. And that was in 1959, people. 1959. Right, that lettuce is going in the burger as well. So now, just going to tidy up shop. Going to put these away. Put them in there, put the onion away, put the lettuce away. And, okay, so we'll put the cheese away. Put the bin away, don't need the bin. Right. Now, I've got the oven warmed up. That's been warmed up, ready for these. These will take like 20 minutes. So bang those in there, and we're gonna whack the heat on the burger, and got about 20 minutes now. I think I've got enough time with the battery. I've got this for after. why I've actually got another one in the fridge, chilling. I'll eat that tonight. I'll eat the whole fucking thing. Just will. Just sit in front of the computer, carving it up. Well, yeah. Then we've got the BAP. Let me just show you what the bread's all about, because the bread is really important if you want to make an awaken brave. Actually, if you want to make an awakened rave burger. Yes, that's what I just said, didn't I? If you want to make an awakened rave burger, well, you need a very firm, kind of heavy BAP. One of these dry things that breaks up and crumbles. No, it's got to be nice and firm, moist, and then when you cut it, it retains its integrity and it's absolutely spondicious. So we have pretty well set the stall for this amazing burger. Put this in the fridge. Right, so we should just do a bit of tidying up shop, people. Put things back in their appropriate places, nice and clean. And we will brush down this chopping board into the bin. You see, the art of cooking, people, is to keep a clean and efficient kitchen. For any of you that ever watched, like Gordon Ramsay, then you'll know how important it is to make sure that everything is shipshape. So now I'm going to put those on a plate. I'll put one plate in the microwave to warm through where the meal is actually going to be placed on, but these ingredients are going to be placed here in the interim, just like that, so we can clean up the kitchen. And when we're ready to go, we've got the ingredient for the burger, we've got the salad which is ready to go, and all we need then is the fries and the burger. So the burger, now the burger I cook on maximum heat until it's burnt and crusty on both sides, but because it's been cooked on maximum heat, it's been cooked fast, like flash cooked, so the interior is still going to be rare. So when you bite into the crispy, crusty outer part of the burger, you have beautiful, tender, rare beef inside. So that's what's going on there. Now then, whilst we're waiting, I want to introduce you once again to my oak trees. Now these are my little babies, which I have grown from acorns, and you can see that they're doing mighty fine. Isn't it wonderful how a huge oak tree will grow out of this little seed? Yeah. Now then, I think the water is getting a bit dry. They like a lot of water. Now these ones have got some sort of blight on them, discolourment, and I don't know what all that's about. I hope hopefully it's not a detriment to them. But I've got a decent number there, and this is the original one I found and I grew. That one is doing fine, and that's ready for planting next year. I might even keep that as a house pet, actually. That's what I think I might do, because look, it's winter time, people, and they've kept their leaves, yeah, because it's warm enough, and so these will keep their leaves all year round. Can you imagine an oak tree keeping its leaves all year round? Isn't that a wonderful thing? So let me just put this down here, and I'm going to water these little babies. So get these trays, and I gauge it by how light they are. They're light now, and so I've got all holes on the bottom of the tray to let the excess water out. So I just pour in copious amounts of water, because once the soil has been completely soaked, it will drain out the bottom. And soon enough, I will be repotting them into long, slender garden pots. Now I'll give my matey there some more whilst we're at it. Now I can smell the burger, and the burger's getting nice and burnt. Whoa! Let me see what's happened to the fries. Okay, we've got 10 minutes on the fries, people. We've got time for a couple more sups on the beer. Drain all the excess water. Right, I am a little bit concerned about the discolouring on these leaves. Some sort of blight, but I hope it's not a problem. Oh! Right then. This one has yet not manifest, but still leaving it there because some of them are late developers. You know, they develop at different rates, people. You see, that's the thing. We all develop at different rates. And lots of you would level at me. We've got to give people time. They all develop at different rates, and this, that, and the other. And it's true. But it doesn't mean that you have to cater for the lowest denomination. We can't always cater for the lowest denomination, can we? We've got to cater for the intermediary and the best growing. So when I'm nurturing my babies here, I've got to cater for this baby with these that are doing fine, and then this tiny little one here. This tiny little thing that's eventually managed to poke out, and it's very, very thin. But, you know, they don't usually be that thin. They're usually like this. They're usually pretty robust. But that one is very thin. Now then, I think we need to go over here because something's happening. Yeah, that burger is absolutely fantastic. I think it's about done. Leave it on there a little bit more. Yeah, the fries, well, a little bit further away. So, you watch that burger frazzle a little bit whilst I'm going to go and have a piss. Well, those rock and roll dudes in the background are certainly having a good time, aren't they? They're probably enjoying themselves. And I'm sure if any of them had beers, then their beers will be enjoying themselves as well. So I'm going to turn that off. I'm just going to let it frazzle a little bit more because it can still do with being a little bit burnt. The kitchen's getting a bit foggy and the alarms are about to go off, doubtless. But whatever. Now, the burger's ready to go. The fries are being a bit stubborn, not wanting to fry like they're supposed to. I'm going to raise these on the shelf. I'm going to lift the shelf up, put them right on the top, and that way, those little bitches will be fried in about 2 minutes flat. Okay. Wow, we're rocking. The club tonight! You see this music? How beautiful, communal, involved it was. Put your glad rags on, we're gonna have some fun. Join me tonight, gonna have a fucking fight. Yeah! All that. It's fucking awesome, people. Those 50s and early 60s. Rock and roll. Okay, tell you what. I think I can actually build this burger right now. So we're going to put this down here, and I can lay the burger in there. Then I can build all this shit together, and I can put that on it, and I think we're going to have a lot of fun. Let me put the onion on first, then place the cheese, the gherkin, tomato. I'll put the burger on, then I'll put the cheese on. But what we need this. This is absolutely essential. Copious amounts of that, so it's dripping out all the edges. Right, one nicely frazzled burger on the outside, people, but still very rare on the inside. Now this juice here, I'm going to put that down there. See that oil? Because that is going to be super tasty. And I'm going to put that over there. Put that on there. Now when you taste this, fuck, that's good. Yep. Just let me check the fries. Yeah, oh wow. You see people? It's all about timing. Now, put that there. Salt. We like to have a bit of salt. Quite a bit of salt for the fries. And I'm gonna turn them in like that. Move you over. Catastrophe. Right, put that there like that. Get these chips. Put them on there like that. Okay, that'll do you for the time. And then we're going to put this on. Then we're going to put the lid on. And then we're going to go, hey, a fucking presto. And we're going to pick it up. And we're going to show you what's going on. See that? You see that, people? Now, I've got to come down here so you can see what's going on here. Now, move that, bring that in, and I don't know when the last time I did this, but oh my god, the Awake and Brave burger joint. It's going to be the best in the world. Frankie and Benny's, eat your heart out. It's an absolutely sensual explosion. That, the thick slice of onion, the meatiness of the burger, the blue cheese, and the crispiness and the crunchiness of the tomatoes and the lettuce, and the tanginess of the gherkin. But not complete until you accompany a mouthful with fries. Now, that's a very curious combination, isn't it? This alone wouldn't do it. You've got to have the grease and the salt and the crispiness of these. Whoever invented this sort of thing, first off, well, of course they made it big. This is actually ecstasy in the bun. And it's funny, whenever I cook this burger, I have to have American Diner music on in the background. I've been to these American diners, which are like replications of what were about in the 60s. I went to Elvis's home. He's got a whole complex on two sides of the road, Graceland, and in the complex, along with his house and his plane and his museum and his grave and all that, there's the burger joint. On the jukebox is all Elvis. So me and my mate, same one I went to prison with, sat down there, putting dimes in the fucking jukebox, eating a burger and having a great time. We touched Elvis's grave. We sat illegally on his Harley Davidson, was laid on his bed, on his private jet, Lisa Marie. We contravened everything. But we're true Elvis fans. What are you gonna do? Normally I'd eat the whole lot, but if I start that I will. Phenomenal. But how many people would go for a burger like this? I mean, you've got to get involved when you're eating it. You've got to get involved, people. You know what? I need a bit more of that. You feeling me? You feeling me, people? How many of you, having watched this, will say to yourself, fuck, I can't do that. I gotta live that experience. I can't leave this planet without having a working bread burger. Now, here's the thing. What if I, invited people to come and have a wake and break burger? First of all, we go up into one of my favourite national parks, these beautiful, incredible spiritual woodlands. We do some DMT, or not. We walk around, we philosophise, and then we come back, we have a couple of beers, we have a wake and break burger, and you've got a tale to tell your grandkids. What about that? Who's up for that? I need tomato. Yeah. Fuck yeah. I'll do that tonight. Once you start something though, it's quite moreish. You see why spirits want to come out of their experience. You know, most of the astral creatures, they want to have sex with us. If they're human, they want to have sex with us. If they're not human, they want to touch us sexually. It's a very weird thing. How about shadow beings slipping under the covers with me and start touching me from behind around my anal area and groin, fondling. And they're not human, you can feel they're not human. They don't have hands, they just have some sort of fucking octopus fucking thing going on. But that's what they like to do that. And so oh my god. See, if people didn't watch this video worth it, they'd miss that little snippet of information. What? Astral entities fondling your arsehole and your bollocks? Yeah. That's what they do. But you just tell them to fuck off. And then we go. It's a bizarre world, people. When I'm telling you about being spiritually awoken, you are awakening to spirits. But you don't have to be afraid, because we're the boss. Humans are very powerful. The more powerful the spirits, and so you don't have to worry about possession or being manipulated. If you don't want to do it, you just say, "Go fuck yourselves," and then they're gone. Anyway, people, oh my goodness. That's what I call an awakened brave period of satiation. Earth experience, satiation, awakened brave, kick-ass burger. Heaven on earth. And now I'm finished. What do I have? I have a tray, I have a frying pan, and I have a plate. to wash up. Okay, people? It's about being efficient, you see? So, bye-bye.